Hello, viewers. Have you ever opened a Microsoft Word document only to find extra spaces ruining the formatting? In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to remove all those extra spaces in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Here I have a Word document containing a lot of extra spaces between words. If there are only one or two extra spaces, you can simply place the cursor on the extra space and press the backspace key. But what if your document contains dozens or even hundreds of extra spaces? Using the backspace key one by one would be time-consuming and tedious. Instead, I'll show you the simplest way to remove all the extra spaces at once. First, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. This will open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What field, type correct W. In the Replace With field, press the spacebar only once. I repeat, enter only one space. Now click Replace All. That's it. As you can see, all the extra spaces in the document have been removed instantly. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.